So don't run ads to your website. Do this instead. I'm going to say something that might sound a little controversial, but if you're running ads for your B2B SaaS or agency, you might need to change your tactic. You should never send that traffic to your website's homepage. It's one of the fastest ways to burn through your ad budget and have like nothing to show for it. In this quick video, I'm going to show you what to do instead, and a simple change can just dramatically improve your conversion rate, your booked call rate, and your actually will be booking call. You'll be actually booking calls with qualified prospects who are ready to buy. So, what's the deal here? What's so bad about sending people to your actual website? Your website is actually designed for exploration. It's not a one action page. Your website is a digital brochure. It has navigation links, it has links to your blog, it has links to your case studies, it has links to your About Us page, your pricing, your careers page, and so on. There are dozens of things a visitor can click on, which is not ideal. When someone clicks on your ad, they have a single specific intent, which is to know about what you're offering. So they're not there to explore. By sending them to a page with dozens of options like your homepage, you create like decision fatigue, and you basically kill the momentum from your ad. So what you're essentially inviting them is into a library, and where they just want to, they want to just check out a specific book which is a solution to their problem. That's why they clicked on your ad. But you're not providing that to them. You're just giving them a bunch of links, and they eventually click off and they do not convert. And you're just wasting your ad spend like this. So what can you do instead? The solution is to have a specialized web page, a landing page basically, in very naive terms, that is completely stripped of all distractions. It has no navigation, no footer links, no sidebars, nothing. It has one job and one job only, which is to get your visitor from the ad to take a single specific action, which is a direct continuation of the promise that you made in your ad. So what is that promise? The headline should match. If you're promising in your ad that, get a free demo or learn more of our AI scheduler, the headline of the page should say the exact same thing. This basically creates a seamless experience for any visitor that, that visits your page from your ad. The single call to action is necessary because you need one goal and one action and one button to click for the customer that visits your page. So do not give them an option to read your blog or read your case studies. Just give them one button, which is learn more or book a demo call. The social proof is necessary because you want to build trust with your cold traffic. You need logos of companies you've worked with, a powerful testimonial or two. And do not overcomplicate it, because if you distract your visitor, they might just click off and not book a call anyway. And finally, you do not need an escape route. This is the big one, because you do not need any other call to action. You only need your exact book a call button on this landing page. The only way off this page should be basically clicking the X in the tab and clicking off your page. It sounds aggressive, but it's incredibly effective, because it just forces a decision from the person. So they either book a call or they do not. So what you can offer instead here on this landing page, instead of all of those distractions, is most effective landing pages do not ask for a demo right away. They build a high value asset to build a bridge of trust. A VSL, a video sales letter, a detailed case study, a lead magnet, all of these things actually nurtures the prospect. The prospect clicks on the ad, consumes this high value content that you've put out on your landing page, and then they are ready to either book a demo or just exit out of the page, which is exactly what you want. Your ad account also appreciates the dual decision making that's going on here. People actually who book a call, you want to retarget customers like those, so you have actual good data to work on later on. So what's the recap here? The broken way of sending ad traffic to your busy homepage is hoping for the best and wasting your ad spend. The right way is to send targeted ad traffic to your dedicated landing page that has one clear goal and hosts a high value asset like a VSL. If you stop sending traffic to your website and just start using dedicated landing page just for your ads, I guarantee you will see a significant lift in the performance of your ad campaigns. If this was helpful, feel free to subscribe, because I'm going to be making a lot more no fluff marketing guides for B2B businesses. This is exactly the tactic that I use for my clients. If you want to book a call with me, it's down below in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.